Shemai, just a cheeky little Friday night rambles because wow, what a week. I say a cheeky little rambles. I should actually be in Carmarthen right now. We had tickets booked to go and watch Thomas Benjamin Wilde Esquire playing, a fantastic ukulele player. He does a bit of sweary ukulele songs. Unfortunately, it got postponed yesterday. So he's going to do it now in February. So suddenly I've got my Friday night free. And I just wanted to share a little bit of my week with you, really. So technically, some of this is a little bit over a week. But I'll start with exactly a week ago, last Friday evening, Anarchy and the Ukulele announced the nominations for the Ukes, their new ukulele award. First one for 2023. It was a very, very exciting live show. Really, really good fun. And, you know, I was there to watch along, hoping that maybe I'd had a few nominations. But wow. So there's lots of banter going on in the live chat. And the first few groups of nominations get announced. And it was all about the ukuleles. I won't go through them all. If you want to go and watch the video, I'll pop a link in the description below. But we had the cheap end ukuleles, the best ukuleles under so much. Then the sort of middle priced ones, the more expensive ones. And then it started to get a bit interesting because they announced, let me get this one right, it was the best YouTube channel, best ukulele YouTube channel. And wow, Ukulele Wales gets nominated. Honestly, suddenly I was like, all right. And if you see on the chat, you'll see I was that excited. Up against some really brilliant ukulele channels, all right? It's Baz Maz's The Ukulele Review and Got a Ukulele, Matt Stead, the ukulele teacher, and Cynthia Lynn. This is why I am just so shocked. Okay, and can I just say as well, straight off, if you nominated me for any of them, thank you ever so much. Honestly, you've made me so happy. So yeah, in the run-in for the best YouTube channel, and then the next group was the best ukulele YouTube video. And my Carla Rambles has been nominated. One from World of Ukes, one of their best ukuleles of 2023. The Southern Ukulele Store video, best tenor ukes. Oh yeah, Got a Ukulele, one of Baz's reviews as well. Okay, so at this point now, this is getting silly and I am just stupidly excited. And then there are a few more categories announced. And then Ukulele Personality of the Year. Now, this was the biggest shocker for me. All right, I still can't believe I've been nominated for this. All right. And everybody who is in the group, they're all just such wonderful, wonderful people. All right. So I am so chuffed with my 3 categories. I really am. And as I said, if you nominated me for any of them at all, thank you ever so much. Voting is now open. If you haven't already, let me explain how you do it. Again, I will pop a link to the actual document. And can I just say, this is real, I promise you, okay? Steve, one of our Cool Hand Uke members, turned up at the beginning of the week. He thought it was a scam. All right, honestly, this is 100% real, I promise. So I'll pop a link in the description. And basically, you've got to leave your email and your name, that's it, all right? And then there's lots of categories for you to tick, okay? Read through them carefully. If you're not sure, you have to vote in every category. So if you're not sure what to vote for, I promise you that everybody or everything that has been nominated is well deserved. All right. So it really doesn't matter. If you're not sure what to vote for, just click one of them. All right. But the best thing is you're in with a chance of you're in with a chance of winning a ukulele yourself. Okay. Anarchy and the Ukulele have got this wonderful, the new by Flight 4SB tenor ukulele, the Sammy Turton 4-string boy signature uke. And wow, what a beauty. So yeah, by voting, you're in with a chance of winning that ukulele. So it is definitely worth it. Okay, so once again, if you did nominate me, thank you ever so much. Honestly, I can't believe how shocked I am. I really am. All right, and I'm over the moon with it. So thank you if you did nominate me. Please, I would love you to consider voting for me in one of the 3 categories that I'm in. And make sure you do it by 15th of December. Okay, so you've still got plenty of time, but go and do it now after watching this video, or even right now, so you don't forget, okay? You've got to be in it to win that ukulele and help me maybe win one of the categories. So that was one of the main ukulele highlights of the week. Other things happened as well. The Ukumaniacs have been booked for 2 festivals next summer. I can't tell you which festivals yet, not until they get publicly announced. All right, we're not headlining or anything like that, but just the fact that we're going to be going outside of this area to play. Wow, very exciting. So these 2 beauties arrived. This is a concert size. This is a soprano, but with a long scale neck, or a concert neck on it, and they're part of the Flight travel series. I just fancied treating myself, and honestly, they're not expensive. 2 of them under £100. They're plastic. They're meant for travelling and playing outdoors and things. So look forward to some reviews of these. But yeah, very nice that they arrived. And talking of Flight, I've had a few messages back and forth with Juliana, the founder and the boss of Flight Ukuleles, and she has very kindly agreed to do an interview with me very soon. All right, so I will have her in a video where we have a little chat about ukuleles and Flight and what they've been doing, and maybe mention the electric series and the bass series as well. So if I've got a few questions I want to ask her, but if you've got any questions that you'd like to ask Juliana of Flight Ukuleles, leave them in the comments below. I have also ordered myself something quite special. I'm not going to give you any more information about that right now. I am overly excited. Something which has been on the radar for a very long while. If you want to take a guess to try and work out what I have ordered myself, leave it in the comments below. Maybe I'll give you a little bit more information soon. We've hit 150,000 subscribers on Ukulaliens. It's just madness. So yeah, if you do support me over there as well, thank you ever so much. I've been really bad with play-alongs since we've been back in school this term. It's just so busy, but I do intend to do some Christmas ones very soon. And the last bit of good news, my YouTube channel is back to normal. If you watched one of my recent Rachel's Rambles, number 18, I think, with a Rachel's rant thrown in there, go and watch it if you haven't already. I explain there's been a few issues with the channel, but that all, touch wood, seems to be okay again. And the last little thing, 9th of December, Wales Ukulele Project have organised a Christmas ukulele jam in the Aberavon Shopping Centre in Petalba. If you're in the area or you fancy a little travel, all right, it should be really good fun. You do need to book a seat or a standing area, okay? It's all free, they just need to know numbers, all right? So that's coming up very soon, so I'm really looking forward to catching up with a few friends and having a good old strum along Christmas style. Again, thank you for any nominations, but don't forget, go and vote. So that's my cheeky little rambles over with. As always, I do hope you've enjoyed. If you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.